Ever feel like your money is just disappearing? Like you should be saving for that dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or even just a rainy day fund, but somehow the month ends and you're left scratching your head wondering where it all went. You're not alone. It's a common struggle in today's world, where expenses seem to multiply faster than our paychecks. But what if I told you there's a way to not just think about saving, but to actually visualize your goals, track your progress, and make saving feel less like a chore and more like an exciting journey? That's where Rocket Money's Saving Goals feature comes in. Now, you might already be familiar with Rocket Money, formerly Truebill, for its awesome ability to track subscriptions, negotiate bills, and give you a clearer picture of your overall financial health. But their Saving Goals feature takes things a step further, transforming the abstract idea of saving into tangible, achievable milestones. Think of it like this. Instead of just saying, I want to save money, you can say, I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a car by December 31st. Suddenly, that vague goal has a name, a target amount, and a deadline. And that's the power of Rocket Money's Saving Goals. So, how exactly do you use this fantastic feature? Let's dive in and explore the ins and outs, step by step. First things first, you'll need to have the Rocket Money app downloaded and be logged into your account. If you haven't already, go ahead and do that now. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Savings tab. It's usually located at the bottom of your screen, often represented by a piggy bank or a similar icon. Tap on it, and you'll likely see an overview of any existing savings goals you might have set up, as well as your overall savings balance. To create a new saving goal, look for a button that says something like Create a Goal, Add New Goal, or a plus symbol icon. Tap on that, and you'll be taken to the goal creation screen. This is where the magic begins. Rocket Money walks you through the process in a clear and intuitive way. The first thing you'll be asked to do is to name your goal. Be specific. Instead of just vacation, try summer trip to Bali or Europe Adventure 2026. Giving your goal a clear and inspiring name helps you stay motivated and connected to what you're working towards. Next, you'll need to set your target amount. This is the total sum of money you want to save for this particular goal. Be realistic, but also don't be afraid to dream big. If you're saving for a down payment on a house, do your research to figure out a reasonable target. If it's for a new gadget, check the price. Having a concrete number in mind is crucial for tracking your progress. Now comes the important part, the target date. When do you want to achieve this saving goal by? Setting a deadline creates a sense of urgency and helps you break down your saving into manageable chunks. Rocket Money will even help you calculate how much you need to save per month or per week to reach your goal by your chosen date. You can adjust this later, but having an initial time frame is essential. Once you've named your goal, set your target amount, and chosen your target date, you'll need to decide where the money for this goal will come from. Rocket Money allows you to link your external bank accounts and then designate specific accounts as the source for your savings. You can choose to automatically transfer a certain amount regularly, daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, or make manual contributions whenever you have extra funds. Setting up automatic transfers is a game changer. It takes the decision-making out of saving and makes it a consistent habit. Think of it as paying your future self first. Even small, regular contributions can add up significantly over time. Rocket Money also gives you the option to customize your saving goal further. You can often add a picture related to your goal, a photo of Bali, a picture of your dream house, or even just a motivational image. This visual reminder can be surprisingly powerful in keeping you focused and inspired. As you start contributing to your saving goal, Rocket Money provides you with clear and easy-to-understand progress tracking. You'll be able to see at a glance how much you've saved so far, what percentage of your goal you've achieved, and how much time you have left to reach your target. This visual feedback is incredibly motivating and helps you stay on track. One of the great things about Rocket Money's saving goals is its flexibility. Life happens, and sometimes your financial situation changes. You can easily adjust your target amount, target date, or contribution frequency as needed. If an unexpected expense comes up, you might need to temporarily reduce your contributions. Or, if you get a bonus at work, you might want to increase them to reach your goal faster. Rocket Money makes these adjustments simple and straightforward. Beyond just tracking your progress, Rocket Money also offers helpful insights and features to boost your savings. For example, it might analyze your spending habits and suggest areas where you could potentially cut back to free up more money for your goals. It can also send you reminders to make contributions or celebrate milestones as you reach certain percentages of your goal. Furthermore, Rocket Money allows you to create multiple saving goals simultaneously. This is incredibly useful if you're saving for several different things at once, perhaps a vacation, a new car, and a wedding fund. You can manage each goal independently, track their individual progress, and allocate your savings accordingly. Let's walk through a couple of examples to really illustrate how this works. Imagine you want to save $1,000 for a new laptop. You open Rocket Money, navigate to Savings Goals, and create a new goal named New Laptop. You set your target amount as $1,000 and your target date for 6 months from now. Rocket Money calculates that you need to save approximately $167 per month to reach your goal on time. You decide to set up an automatic monthly transfer of $170 from your checking account to your new laptop savings goal within Rocket Money. Throughout the next 6 months, you can easily track your progress within the app, watching that number climb closer and closer to your $1,000 target. The visual representation of your progress keeps you motivated and less likely to dip into those savings for something else. Now, let's say you have a longer-term goal, like saving $20,000 for a down payment on a house in 2 years. You create a goal named House Down Payment, set the target amount at $20,000, and the target date for 2 years from now. Rocket Money calculates a required monthly saving of around $833. This might seem like a significant amount, but by breaking it down and setting up automatic biweekly transfers of approximately $417, you start making consistent progress. Over time, seeing your balance grow steadily provides a powerful sense of accomplishment and keeps you focused on your long-term dream. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.